Good afternoon, South Florida. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist Estette Gonzalez in weather control, and we are dealing with some heavy downpours sweeping in on a gusty breeze. You can see the clouds as well blowing on by from our Broward camera. Fort Lauderdale, so there you see it. Some heavy rain now around Hollywood, Aventura, North Miami, Pembroke Pines, Miami Lakes, Doral, Miami, Key Biscayne, Tamiami, Sweetwater, and the winds really cranking out of the east-northeast, 18 to 23 miles per hour. Peak wind gusts as high as 30, even 41 miles per hour. It is downright blustery and dangerous. High risk of rip currents continuing through tomorrow night. A high surf advisory as well, as that higher surf will lead to some beach erosion possibly and dangerous swimming conditions. Obviously, it is not safe to go in the water. If you can at all, avoid going into the beach. And coastal flood advisory until 4 a.m. Thursday. Due to that onshore wind, the higher than normal king tides, coastal flooding will be possible around the low-lying areas, including parking garages and docks and areas along the beaches of coastal areas that typically flood during high tide, and the next high tide is 7:25 p.m. It is warm out there with the mid to upper 80s, but not as hot as usual because we do have the clouds and the rain around. The reason we're dealing with the scattered showers is due to a tropical wave moving in from the northwestern Caribbean that has a low potential of cyclone development, and then we're watching another area near the Yucatan in the northwestern Caribbean, and that has a low potential, 30% chance of cyclone development later this week and into the weekend as it drifts northward into the southern Gulf of Mexico. We'll have to wait and see, but right now that monsoonal gyre, that moisture will certainly be likely leading to some more storms for us as we head into the weekend. Depending on what happens, we'll be watching it. For today, passing showers, gusty breeze, 86 degrees, and a small craft advisory is in place. Not a good day for boating. Obviously, seas 5 to 8, choppy on the bays. And tonight we will continue to see those fast showers and breezy beaches with the upper 70s. Over the next few days, we will see highs in the mid to upper 80s, breezy showers, and as we head into the weekend, we will be watching the tropics. Our weather will be dependent on what happens there. In the meantime, you can check in on the weather any time of day right here at cbsmiami.com.